Making coconut rice sounds difficult, but in this video, you'll learn how easy it really is to make. It's delicious, fragrant, and super flavorful. Let's get started. Start by washing your rice. I generally wash it about 2 to 3 times. When making normal rice, I use 2 rice cooker cups of rice and 3 rice cooker cups of water. For coconut rice, I keep the same total liquid, but I substitute 1 1/4 cups of water with coconut milk. This way, the rice stays fluffy and doesn't get mushy. Remember, a rice cooker cup is smaller than a regular measuring cup. Pour out any excess water. Now, add the pandan leaves, lemongrass, ginger, coconut milk, water, salt, and sugar. Now, just cover and start your rice cooker as normal. Once it's done, we can take out the pandan leaf, lemongrass, and ginger. Mix the rice well to incorporate the salt, sugar, and coconut milk evenly. And that's it! Serve it with white cut chicken, lemongrass pork, chicken wings, or you can just eat it by itself. It's really that good. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.